Put spacers on it. It looks good. It looks wide and aggressive. It looks good. It's definitely more flush. Well, I'm putting wheel spacers on the Journey today, and I found these by fluke on Marketplace or Kijiji, which would be like Craigslist if you're American. They're actually rated for a Jeep, but they're 5-on-5, which is the same pattern as the Journey.
Are you doing a video?
Yep. Well, there she is. Put spacers on her. It looks good. It looks wide and aggressive. It looks good. It's definitely more flush. And I'm kind of glad that I got into it, because I knew one of the back tires was bad, but I guess they're both bad. Yeah, I just noticed some things. So I'm kind of glad I got into it. But it looks good. spacers, wheel spacers on the Journey, and they were pretty much flush. And I decided to swap out the wheels with the Caravan because they bolt right on, same bolt pattern. And this one has good summer tires, and I just want to ditch the winter wheels that were on the Journey. So I'm just going to swap out the wheels, and I decided I might scuff them up and paint them black. But here's something interesting about the Caravan wheels. The offset is slightly different, where they stick out. They're actually sticking out like an inch. They were flush with the spacers, but now they're actually sticking out an inch, which is kind of cool. So you might not even need spacers if you had the Caravan wheels, because the spacers are 1.5 inches and they were flush, and now they're sticking out an inch. So you might get an inch with the Caravan wheels alone, and they look identical. They're 17-inch 5-spoke alloy. 17-inch 5-spoke alloy. So that's actually the Journey wheel, and it tucks in a little bit, maybe not quite an inch, but the offset is slightly different, just enough that you notice it when I put them on the Journey here. They poke out, which is kind of cool. Even with the spacers, they didn't poke out, they were flush. So we'll see how they fit on the front.